another episode of the Rad Skatepark Check-In. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, I have my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. This is episode 47. Today, we arrived at the newly renovated Gateway Skatepark right here in Brooklyn, New York. Today, I brought Justin SAITTA and Sonny Brown. If you guys don't know about this park, it's brand spanking new, and we're gonna get inside and we're gonna show it to you, just like we always do. I appreciate all of you guys for watching. I would not be making these videos without you, so thank you. Please sub to the channel, like and subscribe. If you guys find this information helpful, just spread the love, help us grow as a channel, and you know, we appreciate you guys. You guys are super rad. Let's go in here. First feature,
so
we're looking
the
at
first feature here, we got this little hip thing. Nice little Euro, nice little hubba. Very mellow, very low, but quite long as you can tell, so you know, it's a little buck. Over here, this little curve thing. There's brick. You get that aesthetically pleasing roll around. And you come over here, got this Euro.
I feel like I've seen this before.
Yeah, right? It's very familiar. This is a nice little brick hip. Nice little mani-ped. You could just hit it back and forth. These ledges, they're, you know, they're a little difficult to get to because of the steepness. That little A-frame.
Justin just gave you the rundown. I'm gonna give you the rundown because I'm the host. I'm sure you did a great job. We got a hip right off the bat. It looks like the takeoff zone. You're coming from this direction. Nice hip. I'm sure Justin gave you the rundown, right?
Yeah,
what did he not tell you about the hubba?
No, we got the hubba.
This big hubba. Everything is so mint. Can't even tell you how everything looks so brand spanking new. What the heck is this? It's smaller than usual. Got a little.
It's a wave.
It's an UFO crashed into the concrete. If you're standing on top of this flat area, like you could use it for flat ground, have a session up here, whatever you want to do. Ledge right here. And then I want to call this section, it's like a big 3-block with an extended manual pad. There's a ledge on the side. There's an A-frame handrail, A-frame bank with the A-frame hubba. I like how Justin described the bank area, how you do have that aesthetics. It was a great word. And
great word.
Aesthetics. I don't know if I would have used that word.
It used to be a skate brand.
Really?
Aesthetics?
That's pretty rad.
You don't remember that? Come on,
brain is cloudy. Another hip here, Euro gap, handrail, bank, hubba. How else could I explain that to you guys? I think this is a mirrored image right here. This side mirrors that side. A nice, perfectly built fun box, smack in the middle, lands into a bank, so it's not flat, if you're into that. Justin, are you into that?
I'm into it. Manny into it and stuff, why not?
Box to bank, dog.
Exactly.
What's up?
That's what's up.
I like it too. I'm not against it. It's just different. Sonny, what do you think?
Beautiful park.
It's all of our first times here.
Brand new park, so.
And it's empty.
Hopefully it stays like that all day. This is definitely unique. Check this bowl out.
I'm 6 foot tall.
It's most certainly a bowl. It's a mini pool. Dogtown, when they were envisioning.
That's a big word.
You better not leave this. And I know you, because he would leave this. Envisioning pool skateboarding, this is what they envisioned right here. Big, gigantic pool. Big turns, big waves. That's what it's all about, bruh. That's the whole park, guys. You're looking at it. All right, what do I say, like, at this moment?
Let's get some clips.
Yeah, let's do that. Yo, welcome Sonny. Bayshore Special Sauce represent. What do you think?
Great park. I like it.
It's brand spanking new. Concrete, it's an A+.
Bricks feel like street.
And this is a good park. There could be stuff that is a little tricky to skate and it's a little bigger than usual. But I feel like if you have the skill set and you want to huck, you definitely do something over here. It's a good park. I would definitely recommend it. 4 out of 5 stars.
For the most part, it's intermediate level.
Like Justin said earlier, no flat bar.
Yeah,
It's the
no
only
flat
thing
bar.
they could do with a flat bar.
No like regular high ledge, like a box or anything.
No quarter pipes. But
about that.
overall, you know, the ground is
The ground is smooth.
rad. Thanks for watching the Ground Report. What's the name of this park?
Gateway.
Gateway. See, what would I do without the homies? Thank you for watching the Gateway skate park review right here in Brooklyn. I think this place is amazing. I'd be super hyped if I was a local around here. What do you guys got to say about the park?
I agree.
I had a very good time, honestly. It was pretty fun. You got to like skate a little bit of everything.
Pushes you to level up.
Yeah, man. It's really good to like if you're skating in the city or something and you're nearby, stop here. Definitely does wonders.
I just want to thank everyone for watching. We're gonna keep reviewing parks just to keep you updated on where they're at, what's happening. We got you guys covered, so don't you worry. Yo, big shout out to Justin SAITTA,
Yeah, that's me.
Sonny Brown.
Yeah.
Shout out Cool Breeze.
Absolutely, shout out to
Local
Cool
shop,
Breeze.
Best shop.
And most of all, Rad Boardsport.
Absolutely. Stay rad.
Please like and subscribe. And if you do find the content helpful, tell a friend. Tell them to sub to the channel. We're trying to grow, you know? We're out here working, doing it. Help us out a little bit. If you like us, follow Rad Boardsport Co. on Instagram. Check out the website. If you guys like the merch that you see, the hats, shirts, whatever, www.radboardsport.co.
And ride all day.
He ain't lying. Yo, this is a brand new park. There's a lot of renovation going on. Everything seems to be brand new. And yeah, if you guys are in the area, come check it out. I think we got you guys covered here.
Yeah.
Don't forget to ride all day. Oh, you good?
My ass! Oh!